this long-term statistic, you use this chart, you can see that from the 2006, Taiwan almost export the same amount to India, just equivalent to Hong Kong. But in recent 2 years, Hong Kong have a very big jumps. But for Taiwanese company, the amount always keep in maybe just $1 billion US, only 5% compared to the China export to India. Why that? Why? My judgment is that it's the mobile phone industries, because Chinese company, they control the mobile phone for supply chain. Taiwan is only control the data processor, is PC, notebook, supply chain. But as we know, in these 5 years, the mobile phone is the biggest push force for the industry. Even they have put the semiconductor, PCB, and so many machineries requirement. So, next page. The question is that, how many products are made by Taiwan enterprises, like so many EMS companies, but they have the factory in China, in Vietnam, in Malaysia. So even the amounts from the China, I think maybe a major is from the Taiwanese company. But for the custom statistics, you say it's from the China. And Hong Kong ranked the second. We transfer from the Hong Kong, and the Chinese enterprise also do that. So in these 2 years, we all know that, like Vivo, Xiaomi, they have a very big factory for mobile phone assembly in India. So the situation is maybe it's made by Chinese, but they made in India. Okay, so we've talked about buy back to Taiwanese company, but how about their factory not in Taiwan? So it's an issue, and no real statistics for this portion. So it's a difficult survey topics for supply chains. But if later we can discuss the difficult or what Taiwanese companies think about why I should invest in India. So my presentation can stop here. So maybe later we can discuss more about these issues. Thank you very much.